Hi folks, Marty here, and I'm glad you could join us for today's tutorial of Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island's greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island's greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. Sun will shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, a very, very Merry, Merry Christmas to you. So folks, at this section, we're going to break it down a little bit slower, showing you the chords and the rhythm that I use. But before we do that, if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications of future videos that I'm going to be putting up here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just look at the chords involved in this. Okay, we've got your D now. There's a lot of different ways of playing a D. There's a very easy one there. See if you use that first finger to hold down the top string and the third string under it, and then you put your second finger in there. That's an easy way to do it as well, okay? Or else you could use the whole finger but not touching the first string, or you could use your first three fingers or your last three, okay? So that's your D. And then the next chord is your A7. And then we've got a D7, and I'm using this D7 here. So first finger at the top, second finger on the second string. Okay, and the next chord is your G chord. And then there's a couple of different ways of doing a B7, but here's an easy one. If you're playing a song that's going from a G to a B7, you just move that whole shape up one string, and that would do for your B7. Okay, and the next one you have your E7 chord. Okay, and the rhythm is like this. Okay, that's it at full speed, but if I slow it down, it'll be... So I'm basically hitting the top string with my thumb and then strumming down. Okay. And I'm going to go into the next chord, which is your A7. And then back to the D again. Okay, so that was the chords and the strum pattern. And this section, I'm going to play through it a little bit slower for you, so you can get your head around it before you go back to part one and play it at normal speed. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island's greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Okay, so that was it. Played through at a slow pace for you. So have a wee go at that and then come back to part 1 and play along with me at normal pace. Hi folks, Marty here, and just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and from me and the family, and Demby and wee Bunny here, who run around wreaking havoc in the studio. So take it easy folks, and hopefully see you in the new year. Merry Christmas.